Hello, everyone. A very warm good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, in whichever part of the world you are. I would like to welcome you all to the very first session of Cheminformatics for Biomedical Drug Discovery program. This program is designed to address the challenges which are associated with understanding, modeling, screening, and applying cheminformatics strategies to improve drug discovery results. The process of finding a new drug against a chosen target for a particular disease usually involves high throughput screening, wherein large libraries of chemicals are tested for their ability to modify the target. With contributions from leading researchers in academia and biotechnology, pharmaceutical industry, as well as experts from the software industry, this comprehensive mentor-guided training program explains how cheminformatics enhances drug discovery. Today, we'll discuss about some of the topics which are mentioned here, which includes the molecular structure of biological macromolecules, history and techniques, amino acid structure and function, protein structures, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary structure, structural domain, structural motif, protein subunit. We'll also talk about protein-protein interactions, conformational analysis, protein folding, sequence to structure, and function relationship. And we'll have a hands-on session with biomolecular visualization and finally an assignment for you all to work on. So before we begin with today's session, as this is our first session, I would like to introduce us for those who have joined us for the very first time. We are a US-based bioinformatics company, and we are working with multiple academic and commercial collaborators to develop easy-to-use analytical tools, and our mission is to make bioinformatics more accessible. The OmicsLogic training has been completed by over 24,000 participants from 187 countries in over 300 workshops in 6 different specialization tracks, which includes oncology, infectious diseases, precision medicine, neuroscience, data science for biomedical data, and cheminformatics for biomedical drug discovery. And due to this fast growth, our team is working with local and regional coordinators that are helping refine the local program logistics and leverage our online training resources, adapting them to the needs of students and researchers around the world. Over the past several years, we have had the privilege of working with a number of organizations developing a training program for research-oriented students, faculty, and democratizing bioinformatics, making this discipline accessible to thousands of students and faculty around the world. The OmicsLogic research-based training programs are a result of close collaboration between Pine Biotech and numerous academic institutions that have participated in content evaluation, curriculum review, and project design. Now, getting back to the program, let's discuss how do OmicsLogic resources help in advancing bioinformatics. So the OmicsLogic is a portal for practical and theoretical learning of bioinformatics, which includes various omics fields that we are covering, data science and structural biology. I'll be taking you through the portal and the resources and what all you can leverage from in just a while. But before that, I would like to go through some of the resources that you will have the access to as a part of this program. So the OmicsLogic portal is composed of courses that are designed to take you through the theoretical knowledge. The OmicsLogic takes a combination of training modules that I just explained, data analysis tools, curated project datasets, and interactive sessions with mentors will be conducted to give you a clear path up the Bloom's taxonomy pyramid. And no matter what the user's initial experience with bioinformatics is, OmicsLogic is a useful tool for gaining a baseline knowledge of the theory behind bioinformatics, analysis of large data sets, and introduction to basic languages, basic coding languages like R and Python will also be given, and beginning that would help you begin a data analysis project. We will also combine pre-recorded mentor sessions, online live Q&A sessions, and self-guided study material, including courses on the OmicsLogic Learn portal and example projects. which will include some practical assignments and quizzes as well for an immersive experience that has proven to be effective in our well-known and respected OmicsLogic programs. So the program will leverage our top-rated online tutorials that I'll be just taking you through using the portal with smart tracking of activity and curated data sets designed for a great learning experience. Communication plays a key role for your activities in the program. So please make sure that all the participants of the program have joined the Skype group where you can access the session recordings, learn about the associated resources to be completed as a part of the session, get updated on supplementary material and assignments. You can also clarify your questions or request a live Q&A meet with the mentor for the same. And not only this, but you will also get to interact with our bioinformatics community and grow your network. And we have a note for the participants who have taken up the advanced subscription level. As a part of the advanced subscription level, you are supposed to work on a research project as soon as the program training is over. So you are requested to fill out the research proposal form as soon as you have your research question designed for the same. Now, what is there in the research proposal form? That is what I wanted to highlight on. So first of all, you have to mention your basic details, and then you have to mention the project title that you would like to work on, that you will definitely come up with after reviewing literature for the same. Then you have to provide a project description and then a project summary that should include the background of the literature review that you went through, what your research question is specifically, what are the objectives, and how you want to answer the research question, like a flow that you have analyzed after reviewing the literature. And then you have to provide the link for raw data. Now, what is the link of the raw data here? It is definitely the protein structure that you want to work with. So you have to give the link to that particular protein structure or molecule, and then you give the references. We will share this project proposal form with you over an email as well. I just wanted to go through this proposal form with you once so that you know what you're expected to submit as soon as your training is complete. All right, so that were a few points that I wanted to discuss before we get started with the session. Now let's quickly sign up on the portal and make sure that we have everything ready before we start with the session and we have all things done for the program. I'll quickly share my Google screen now. All right, so those who have already created an account for themselves on the OmicsLogic Learn portal, please put a yes or one in the chat box so that we know you are all set. And those who have not created an account yet, please do so. We'll be giving you a few minutes here so that you can create an account. Our team is here, and if you face any technical issues, we'll be able to assist you. We'll pause here for a minute or two so that you can easily create your account, and the ones who have created their account, please take this time to update your profile. I'll give a quick demo about how you can sign up on the OmicsLogic Learn portal if you are new to this platform. So the link is in the chat box. Just click on the link. It will redirect you to the OmicsLogic portal. You simply click on the login button, which will give you some options to sign in. Either you create some credentials for yourself and put in your details, which includes your name, your college or institute, and create an account that way. Or you simply use any one of your social media accounts, that could be Google, Facebook, Twitter, and sign up. That is create an account on the portal. I'll use one of my Google accounts to do so. Please feel free to ask us any question related to sign up for now if you are trying to sign up and not able to do so. be awaiting the responses in the chat so that I know that we are all set to proceed ahead. Thank you, Miti Mathur. Great, Clement. What about others? Have you set up your profile? All right, let me just also give a quick demo for those who have created that account yet. So what's the next step for them? The next step for them is to update their profile. So please make sure that you have an updated profile picture. Your name should be in title case and add a brief bio about yourself that could include your educational background or your research interests. An updated profile helps the mentor know about your background, first of all. And also, we'll be monitoring your progress and the backend for the program on your profile section itself. So this is the place where we get to know what you have been completing, which resources are you working on, which assignments have you submitted, which quizzes have you completed. And also a complete profile helps the recruiters see your profiles and maybe give you good, nice offers. So this is what a complete profile could offer you, where you can see your activity, you can see your completed courses, and also once a course is completed, you can easily download your certificate and share your achievements with the world. This is one thing that I wanted to share that was about sign up and making sure that you have a complete profile. The next thing is that each and every step that you complete in your coursework or in assignment that you complete or quiz that you complete, your achievements will be recorded on our achievement board and we'll be able to monitor your progress from here. And achieving the specific points that are required for you to complete a good number of courses and your program could give a chance to you to appear on our leaderboard. So here is the leaderboard link. All these links could be found in the important links section that is towards the bottom of the portal. So here you can get a chance to appear on our leaderboard as well with an exceptionally great performance on the OmicsLogic Learn portal. And also you stand a chance here to view the job listings that we are updating on our portal that you can view based on your skill sets. And you will find the link to the job listings as well to the job listings on the portal itself towards the end. These are the links where it is all mentioned. So that was all that I wanted to mention. Now let's get started without any delay. And towards the end, I'll be taking you through the program page. I'll be discussing the schedule of this, the program, including each and every session and what we'll be covering. And also I'll showcase you the program page where you will find all the recordings if you happen to miss any one of them, and where you can also find the material, the associated resources and the supplementary material that you are supposed to go through along with each session. So that I'll be taking up towards the end. And now I would like to pass on this session to Dr. Mohit,